Hi, it's Joan. In this month's Teach email, I'd like to discuss whether you think teaching improves your own bridge. Well, the example I'd like to use, which is in the affirmative, is Kath Whidden. Kath has taught for quite a few years, and she has done a huge amount for bridge education in Australia, particularly in New South Wales. And she's followed methods, and Kath and I love to work together. Slowly but surely, Kath has emerged as not only a great teacher, but a great player. And in the most recent Coffs Harbour Congress, she finished fourth out of 58 teams in her team and fifth out of 112 in the pairs. This is a huge achievement. So congratulations, Kath. Kath feels that having to be very clear about what you're teaching does in fact improve your own bridge. And I agree. And I asked her for a hand, and she's given me one from the teams at Coffs Harbour. And it was in the fifth round where she was playing against a very experienced team. And let's go through the hand together, and I'll be very interested in the results. So this was Kath's partner, Lynn Smith. She passed. It went one spade, and Kath, sitting north, leapt to 5 clubs. She was aware that their side was not vol and the other side was vol. The next person bid 5 hearts, because when West opened one spade in their special system, it showed both majors, not just spades, it was showing spades and hearts. So he bid 5 hearts. Kath's partner passed, and that's where the hand played. So the questions I'd like to go through at the end of the hand are, what could have happened on this hand? So the lead was the 10 of clubs, and look at the dummy. No clubs, they were able to trump a club and then start to draw trumps happily. Partner only had 1 heart. We win the ace of spades, and what to return? A diamond's not a good return. A club's no good because we know that neither declarer nor dummy has any clubs. So might as well shoot back a spade, and it runs around to the jack. Now, declarer is totally in charge. All their spades are good. They're even throwing winning diamonds. They have all the rest of the tricks. And they end up taking 12 tricks. So you might wonder, why did the bidding stop at 5 hearts? One of the best bids in this auction was Kath's 5 clubs, just like that. She had 7 clubs, and many people in the field only bid 3 clubs over the 1 spade opening, or 4 clubs. Well, that makes it a lot easier for East West to reach either their slam or their game if they miss slam. But bidding 5 clubs straight away as a wonderful preempt made it that much higher, 1 level higher, for East to make a decision. They had a very good hand. They bid 5 hearts. They must have probably wondered if they could bid 6, and so must West. In a way, I think South should bid clubs over 5 hearts, 6 clubs. But it may, as often happens at the bridge table, push East West to 6 hearts. Well, if East West did bid 6 hearts, I think North South must bid 7 clubs and sacrifice, because actually, as we've seen, if they'd bid to 6 hearts, they would have scored 1,430. So a very interesting hand, but the fun was really started by Kath's excellent 5 club bid in the first place?